With the rapid changes in technology and globalization, the world of finance is continuously evolving. In 2023, it's more important than ever to be aware of the different strategies and tips that can help you get rich. This guide will provide you with an overview of the different strategies, tips, and tricks that can help you make it happen in 2023. It will also discuss how to use technology to your advantage and how to leverage your existing skill set for maximum return on investment. With this guide, you'll have all the information you need to get rich in 2023. What does it take to get rich in 2023? Getting rich in 2023 is no easy feat, but the journey can be made much easier with the right strategies and tools. In this article, we will discuss what it takes to get rich in 2023 and how you can use AI technology to help you reach your financial goals. We will also discuss the different use cases of AI technology in helping people become financially successful and how it can be used to automate certain tasks such as investment decisions and budgeting. Finally, we will explore how AI-assisted tools can help you make better decisions when it comes to investing and managing your money so that you can achieve your financial goals in 2023 and beyond. What it takes to get rich in 2023. The best way to get rich in 2023 is to plan ahead and invest your money properly so that you can reach your financial goals as soon as possible. Even if you do not have much money, there are still ways for you to get rich in 2023. Investing, saving, and budgeting are the most important steps in achieving financial success. With the right strategies and tools, it is possible for almost anyone to get rich in 2023. What it takes to get rich in 2023. The best way to get rich in 2023 is to plan ahead and invest your money properly so that you can reach your financial goals as soon as possible. Even if you do not have much money, there are still ways for you to get rich in 2023. Investing, saving, and budgeting are the most important steps in achieving financial success. With the right strategies and tools, it is possible for almost anyone to get rich in 2023. 5 proven strategies for building wealth and becoming financially independent. Financial independence is a goal that many people strive for, but it can be difficult to achieve. Fortunately, there are a few proven strategies that can help you build wealth and become financially independent. These strategies include creating multiple streams of income, investing in stocks and bonds, and reducing expenses. Additionally, it is important to create a budget and stick to it, as well as invest in yourself by learning new skills or taking classes. By following these 5 strategies, you can put yourself on the path towards financial independence. Point 1. Create multiple income streams. One of the most important steps in achieving financial independence is creating multiple income streams. This strategy can be achieved by taking multiple jobs, starting your own business, networking with friends and family, or investing in stocks and bonds. By creating more income streams, you can increase your chances at financial independence. How to invest wisely and maximize your returns. Investing your money wisely is a key to financial success. It requires careful planning and research to ensure that your investments are well suited to your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. By understanding the basics of investing and knowing how to diversify your portfolio, you can maximize your returns while minimizing the risks associated with investing. This guide will provide you with the information you need to start investing wisely and maximizing your returns. This guide includes the importance of diversification, different types of investments and how they're taxed, like interest, dividends, capital gains, etc. Risks associated with investing and when to take them into account when making decisions. On your investments, benefits of investing in stocks and bonds, as well as other types of investments. How to invest in stocks and bonds, how to invest in other types of investments, the importance of diversification when it comes to investing, diversification is the key to maximizing your returns while minimizing your risk. With a diversified portfolio, you can minimize the risk of losing money in any one particular investment while still making gains on others. By focusing on a diverse range of investments, like individual stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs, you won't be tied down by any one type or company. Different types of investments and how they're taxed, like interest, dividends, capital gains, etc. Interest, an investment in which you agree to pay the bank or brokerage firm a certain amount of money per period of time in exchange for periodic payments during that time. Generally, interest is taxed as income, dividends, payments made by corporations to their shareholders. Dividends are typically paid out quarterly and are taxed as regular income, capital gains, the difference between what you bought the investment for and what you sold it for after a certain period of time, usually 1 year, when it's been held for more than 1 year by an individual, generally taxed as either short-term or investment income. An investment in which you agree to pay the bank or brokerage firm a certain amount of money per period of time in exchange for periodic payments during that time. Generally, interest is taxed as income, dividends, payments made by corporations to their shareholders. Dividends are typically paid out quarterly and are taxed as regular income, capital gains, the difference between what you bought the investment for and what you sold it for after a certain period of time, usually 1 year, when it's been held for more than 1 year by an individual, generally taxed as either short-term or investment income. An investment in which you agree to pay the bank or brokerage firm a certain amount of money per period of time in exchange for periodic payments during that time. Generally, interest is taxed as income, dividends, payments made by corporations to their shareholders. Dividends are typically paid out quarterly and are taxed as regular income, capital gains, the difference between what you bought the investment for and what you sold it for after a certain period of time, usually 1 year, when it's been held for more than 1 year by an individual, generally taxed as either short-term or investment income. The profit you get from selling an investment for a higher price than what you paid for it. Capital gains are usually taxed as short-term or investment income. Risk, the chance that an investment may not work out as planned. Capital gains tax, the difference between what you bought the investment for and what you sold it for after a certain period of time, usually 1 year, when it's been held for more than 1 year by an individual, generally taxed as either short-term or investment income. The power of real estate investing and how you can use it to get rich. Real estate investing is a powerful tool that can be used to build wealth and create financial freedom. With the right knowledge and strategies, anyone can use real estate to generate passive income and eventually become wealthy. Real estate investing can be done through traditional methods such as buying and selling properties or through more modern approaches such as crowdfunding or house hacking. In this article, we will explore the power of real estate investing, how it works, and how you can use it to get rich. What is real estate investing? Real estate investing is the process of buying, selling, or leasing real estate for profit. The goal of real estate investing is to increase the value of the property through additions and renovations, to minimize costs associated with ownership and maintenance such as repairs or taxes, and to make money on those investments. Examples of real estate investment include buying a house, shopping center, storage unit, or other large-scale commercial property that is in need of renovations, such as an old hotel, in order to increase its value. It might also be a rental property that generates income from the rent that is collected or a piece of land that will be used to build a new home. The types of real estate investments can vary, and there are many different strategies for each type of investment. How does real estate investing work? There are many ways that investors can invest in real estate: buying and selling property, renting out property to tenants, investing in crowdfunding projects, such as building development, on sites such as Kickstarter or Indiegogo, buying land from the government or other entities in exchange for money, through tax liens, and more. Below is a video explaining how real estate investing works. If you have any questions or are interested in learning more, I'll be making a video about how to invest intelligently in real estate tomorrow. How to start a business that will make you rich in 2023. Starting a business in 2023 can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it will also require careful planning and dedication. With the right strategies, you can create a successful business that will make you rich. In this article, we'll provide some tips on how to get started with your business in 2023 and how to maximize your chances of success. We'll cover topics such as choosing the right industry, developing an effective marketing strategy, and setting up the right financial structure for your company. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful business that will make you rich in 2023. Choosing the right industry. The first step in starting a business in 2023 is deciding on the right industry for you. If you're unsure, we recommend that you start small and see what interests you most. You can always expand or move on to another industry when your business is successful enough to make it worthwhile. One of the best industries to start a business in 2023 is the beauty industry. The global demand for beauty products is expected to grow by 2.5% annually through 2021, according to statistics from Euromonitor International, which means that new companies will be opening their doors every day as consumers seek out better-looking and more effective products. Additionally, because the beauty industry requires a lot of smaller marketing efforts rather than one large campaign, it is a lower-cost option for small business owners. Developing an effective marketing strategy. After you choose your industry, it's time to develop an effective marketing strategy for your business in 2023. You'll need to think about how you can make people want to buy from you and what kinds of products will be popular with customers in the future. You'll also want to design a branding strategy that will help your company stand out against competitors and be noticed by potential consumers as well as media. Identify the kinds of social media platforms, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, that are most important for your business and start building a strategy to use them effectively. Thank you for subscribing and have an incredible day.